IITB hosted 3 international conferences in 2008-2009. The International Conference on Global Software Engineering, the IP Multimedia Systems Application and Architecture in December, and recently, last month, Ramanujan rediscovered mathematics and IT in honor of Professor Venkatachala. We also hosted an international workshop on information in the digital age. IITB continues to attract outstanding faculty members and visiting scholars from around the world. Professor Aruna Ambalavanan, Professor Rajagopalan, Professor Partha Ray, and Professor Jayanta Biswas joined the Institute as full-time faculty members in this year. International academic visitors to the Institute include Professor Julian Bass, Higher Education IT Advisor at Ethiopian Ministry of Education, Professor Bo Patterson of Malmö University, Sweden, and Professor Arlindo Vilasci from Brazil. The Department of Scientific and Industrial Research has recognized IITB as a scientific and industrial research organization for 3 more years from 2009 to 2012. We are also a registered partner with several scientific establishments, including DAAD, Germany, Indo-US Science and Technology Forum, the National Science Foundation of the United States, and European Union. We did a major curricular revision last year with 6 streams, namely computer science, data and information engineering, embedded systems, IT and society, networking and communication, and software engineering. A 3-week-long preparatory program was designed and executed to the class of 2010 students in July 2008 at no extra cost to the students. We introduced a new honors list called the Director's Merit List to recognize those students who get a CGPA of more than 3.75 out of 4. And the board members had a chance to kind of shake hands and congratulate the students just before the convocation. The campus construction is in full swing. You probably see it physically. We are adding about 50% additional space on the academic building by adding 1 floor to the 2-floor structure and 25% in terms of hostel space. We expect to have major growth planned during the 2009-10 when the physical space will be ready, and we expect the construction to be over by November. Our partnership with industry continues to be strong. ABB, Infosys, Intel, NXP and Siemens have instituted 5 scholarships each for our MTech students, and they are continuing the scholarships in this year also. Huawei have instituted their Best Thesis Award and a number of scholarships. Our sincere thanks to our industry partners. We continue to play emphasis on entrepreneurship. Ministry of IT endowed a project under which a Section 25 company called IITB Innovation Center, it got registered on March 31st, 2009. We incubated QSO Technologies and Learning Labs last year. They have grown and moved out. They are doing well. And currently we are incubating Radix Learning and MapUnity. Before closing, I should also acknowledge that we have outstanding individuals visiting the Institute. We had academic delegations from Bavaria, Ecuador, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, and Sweden, to name a few. Academic leaders, including Dean IIT Bombay, Director General of CEDAT, Director General of STPI, President of University of Toronto, Canada, Vice Chancellor of Bristol University, UK, Advisor to Fraunhofer Institutes, Germany, Associate VP for Research of Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, industry leaders including Corporate Vice President of Siemens Research, VP of India Software Labs, IBM, and MD of Symantec, and government, the IT Secretary of Kerala, the Joint Secretary in charge of HRD in Ministry of IT, as well as the media, Resident Editor and the Resident Editor of Times of India, and Editor of Bangalore Times. In closing, institution building is an act of faith. But for the trust-based relationships between the governing body and the executive, IIITB would not be what it is today. We look forward to such continued support from the management and from all sections, faculty, students, staff, alumni, funding agencies, government and industry. With this, let me once again thank you all who have contributed